What's going on? Steve here, Philosopher Cards. We have our one and final box of Wilds of Eldraine left. Wonder if everybody's tired of these boxes already, or excited to see a little more. Again, we haven't pulled a confetti foil yet. Really interested in that. Haven't pulled a Parallel Lives yet. Looking for that one. So sit back. Let's crack some packs. And once again, remember, subscribe, like, dislike if you want to make me a controversial figure. There we go. Alright, here we go. A little crinkled up, coming from Wizards and coming all the way from Japan, all crinkled. Overall, though, I have to say, the card quality of this set has been really nice. Food! Decadent Dragon. Showcase. Love that art. Decadent Dragon. Omen. Familiar. Oh, Cavalry. Very nice card. This is like one of the top pulls, I think, of the set. Very nice. The Goose Mother. Mother Goose. Mothering all of those doubling season tokens. Bombardment. Bombardment. Double tap. And... okay. Okay. Food. And Beseech the Mirror. Extended art. As Foretold. The Restless Fortress. Very nice. And the Songbird's Blessing. This reminds me of... apologies for the hiccup there, folks. Recording just stopped on me, picking up. Yeah, it reminds me of like a Renaissance picture. Blossoming Tortoise, regular, and Uprising. Grasp of Fate. Okay. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this set in general. You like it? You not like it? You want to see more of it? Food. Shared Animosity. Yeah, look at that. That's another great art. Great art. Intruder Alarm. Sirens are blaring. The Gumdrop Poisoner's in. That's the intruder right there. Poison some gumdrops. Lich Knight's Conquest. Food fight. Alright. This allows you to take that food and do some damage to your opponent. Sprawl and Dark Tutelage. Okay. Help me get to like 100, 200 subscribers. I got some good ideas for like what to do when we get to that point, for some box breaks and getting some folks some slots and stuff like that. Spectre of Mortality. Aggravated Assault. Okay, nice. Nice anime pull there. It's not a foil. Anime pull, very nice. Scion of War. Elvish Archivist, very nice too. Regent, Valor, Growth, Mountain, and that's that. So, probably by the time you're watching this, I have sold all these cards already on TCG Player. But if the case it's not, Messenger, feel free to check me out. Unnatural Growth. Shop's Philosopher Cards on TCG Player. Hornlock Whale. Vendor. Look at that. Just selling some spells, and there's the Prodigy. Okay. Compulsion. Curiosity. And the Plains. My one friend opened like 3 boxes and pulled like 2 confetti foils or something like that. He was telling me it was crazy hits. Polluted Bonds. Unlife. The Bowl again. Rankle's Prankle. The Gruff Triplets. And some Seas with an Airy. Okay. Okay, folks, halfway through. At this point, we're almost through 3 boxes with no confetti foil pulls. More Food. Dawn of Hope. Very nice. Fiery Emancipation. Another good one. Virtue. Loam. Tale for the Ages. Enchanted creatures you control get +2/+2. Dark Tutelage. Compulsion. Well, if that confetti foil is hiding, I hope it's hiding in here, because we have not pulled one. Charmed Apple. There it is. Ariette of the Charmed Apple. Parallel Lives. Oh, I was wondering if I was going to pull one of these too. Need this for my deck. Throwing that off. Excellent pull. That is not the anime pull, but I don't care. I still liked that art. Twins, Unfinished Business, The Fae, and Utopia. So overall, that was a win for me. I wanted that Parallel Lives. I'll show it to you again here before the video's over. Food, and the Spellbook Vendor again. Is this the confetti foil slot? Leyline. Okay. Viper. Crown of Winter. Look at that crown. Okay. Duelist. Season of Growth. And then we got a Virtue. Ugh. Okay. Well, we got 1 Parallel Lives out of that, so all is not lost. I think I saw something. Song of Tottentans. Oppression. Heartflame Duelist with the Court Vantress. Dweller. Airy Foil, very nice. And Impact Tremors. Yeah, thinking about getting some slots going. I'd like to be able to do like some vintage openings with slotting and such. So yeah, more to come. I might do a giveaway at some point. I just got to figure out how to do that when I reach a certain amount of folks subscribing. All right, Crown of Winter Foil. Rest in peace, this box, because we haven't pulled anything really of any value. Balloona Grand Squall, the showcase maybe. Court of Ardenvale, very nice. Song, Vampire Rights. Double tap on the rights. A little deja vu. Last pack. Is there a confetti foil in here? Oh, that ripped really nice. That means there's not one in here. Food. Unlife foil. Oh, this is the second one we've gotten, folks. The second Smothering Tithe. You know what that means? That means that we got one. We have 2 in case we want to take one out and it gets scratched. We have the second backup that's in the garage. So yep, there it is. Smothering Tithe, Questing Druid, Lord Skinner, the Hex Mage, and then double tap on some Hatchin' Plans. So in this box, I think we pulled a $15 Parallel Lives and I don't know, $60, $70, $60 Smothering Tithe. I don't know what it's going for right now on non-foil. By the time you guys see this video, I really don't know what it'll go for. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like I said, lots of ideas, lots of content. So yeah, like, subscribe. Thank you all. Have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your day.